Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating my planner for the week. I plan on doing a squad summer spread since we're the last few weeks of summer. I wanted to get at least one squad, like OG squad spread in my planner, well, a weekly spread in my planner, and I don't think I have this one in my planner. I think I did the squad goals, what it's called, squad goals sticker book spread. I think I did on my monthly earlier this year, but I haven't used squad life in my planner, so I'm gonna do this. I have a bunch of these books. Thankfully, like, I've grabbed a couple of these over the years. I don't think they're available anymore. I even had some really nice fellow planners send me some of these books because they know I love them so much, and I know that they've told me they enjoy watching me make these spreads. So I do have a decent amount, but I'm running low. Like, it's gonna come to an end soon when it comes to these, because I was looking through my books and I'm like, you know, running low on girls. But I do have one book. I was able to find one last minute going through my stash that had the girls. Like, I have all the girls here and I have most of them here, so I'll be able to create a nice summer themed spread with this book. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I think I'm going to, I'm gonna bring in another book. I'll probably bring in some boxes from Mojo Jojo plans, just because I need boxes. But just gonna have fun and decorate this. This has a decent amount of stickers that I can use. Actually, I can use this one because I don't have these girls as a sticker form, like on their own, so I can put them in the corner. Oh no, this is like dead. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna let it be. So I apologize I haven't posted in a bit because I've been dealing with I think I just been not getting enough sleep and just a little stressed out from what I'm kind of seeing. So I was getting like a weird symptom, and I looked it up. I don't want to say what it was because people get all, I don't want to get advice or anything online, or I don't know, I just don't want to make a big deal about it. But I'm gonna put this here because I like this box. But the symptoms that this thing was telling me online was like stress related, not getting enough sleep related, caffeine related. So I kind of dialed back on those things, making sure I'm getting sleep and not stressed, which I always feel like I get stressed over the silliest things. But just kind of taking it easy, basically. So I would just come home from work, so I'm so tired, and just relax, basically, which I usually don't do. So I took a few days off to just kind of recover, and I'm feeling a lot better. The thing is going away. My issue is going away, basically. Sorry to be so cryptic, but yeah. So yeah, I think it's good. I just needed some time, I think. So I think it'll be all okay now. But I just wanted to put it out there because I think I didn't post. For me, not posting for 2 days is a lot. So I feel bad, but like I said, I'm just trying to deal with all things, basically. So it's all good now. All good. I'm trying to find, okay, I have all this washi. I'm trying to find a good washi. This is all most of this is all Happy Planner washi. I really like this one, but I don't know if no, that won't work. I never use this washi, but it's kind of cute. This one says be present in the moment. No, I'm just gonna go to maybe this one. This one's cool. That one maybe. Okay, I went to grab some boxes I pulled spring boxes just because I like pastel boxes, and then spring tends to have more pastel-y kind of colors. So I'm gonna pull these, like maybe these peach. Oh, I really love this peach color. I use it a lot. As you can see, maybe I'll do this one. Okay, let's do a peach box here. Here. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to figure out washi. I have these, so maybe I kind of just want a bunch of different patterns just to keep it fun. Do I like this? I don't know. Should I do this blue? And I feel like this is too dark. Maybe I should just do this one. I don't know. I'm not sure. I kind of like this one too, though. Yeah, I'm gonna do both. I kind of like the different washies, just for something fun. So I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna make it work, even though it might not look like it's gonna work. I'm gonna make it work. Just gonna go with it. Not overthink it, basically, too, because it'll all be good. I think I want to do this here. See, I really don't have plans. I mean, I'm excited that there's a 3-day weekend this week, so can't wait for that. But I don't have plans this week, which will be really good because I have a lot of things I need to catch up on. And I think that's what I've been a little stressed about, is that I just have a lot of things I need to do. And sometimes I don't know, like, I get a little, like, where do I start with all this? And I've been going out of town. I've been doing stuff with family, and I have been having to just prioritize that stuff over work stuff, and it's kind of piling up, and now I'm like feeling, I think that's what's been stressing me out. It's just all the things I need to do. So now that I'm a little bit more caught up, because I've been doing it a little bit here and there, I've been feeling a lot better. And this weekend I can catch up on some stuff and then still have like time to just do something, just relax basically too. So that'll be nice, because yeah, I think it should be really good. All right, I want to add this ice cream shop. It's so big though. Why is it so huge? You know what? We're just gonna put it here because I just want it on the page. We'll put it next to these girls. I kind of want some ice cream. I'm not really like a huge ice cream person. I have to be in a certain mood for the ice cream. But I am feeling like having some ice cream today. But I don't have ice cream, so I would need to go and buy ice cream. So yeah, we'll see if I end up doing that. Okay, I love the little palm trees, so we'll just add a little palm tree here. Add a little, and it's Wednesday, so I'm gonna have to back plan Monday, Tuesday, and basically Wednesday. So I don't mind covering up this side with a lot of stuff because I'm gonna have to back plan in it, which, if you don't know what back planning is just basically putting in your plans that you already done, just writing them in and then just checking them off. Yeah, that's okay to do. So I'm gonna probably have to do that. Oh no, I ripped the palm tree, but that's okay. Piece it back together. Okay, I'm gonna put a palm tree here. Try to get it back together. Yeah, so like for instance, today at work, we had a barbecue at work, which was really good. We had fish tacos. So I had to bring my cutting board because I was gonna make some pico de gallo. So I needed to cut all that stuff. And the knives at work are really dull and the board is just not big enough. So every time I cut it, it's always such a pain when I'm cutting everything. So I decided to bring my own stuff to deal with that. So I'm basically gonna write like here, I'm gonna put a box. I'm gonna grab a box. What color am I gonna do? I kind of want to do this blue. Is this the right blue? No, it's not really the right blue though. I like this blue. No, it's that blue. It's that one. Okay, let me look for another blue. It's too dark of a blue. This one's not too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this blue. So I'm gonna write in here for my back planning purposes. I'm gonna write here, don't forget like the cutting board and the knife, put that there. And then I'm gonna put here, fish tacos at work. So that's gonna be my back planning, because when it comes to my planner, not only is it a place where I wanna put down my plans and things that I need to do for that day, but it's also a little memory keeping for me. To look back at. So I do want to put like, oh, this was the day we had fish tacos, or like little moments and stuff like that that I can add in here. So that's the plan. And then I'll just have the red. This will be more used like how it's supposed to be used. This part of the planner, I'll actually be able to use it since now I'm ready to get things done. So yeah, it'll work. It works out in the end. All right, so I'm gonna put this box here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do like all the things Saturday, that way Sunday and Monday, definitely Monday. I don't want to do any kind of work on Monday. I actually just want to have the day off, like I'm supposed to have it. So, so yeah, that's the plan, is just to get as much as I can done, so that way I don't have to worry about anything for most of Sunday and then all of Saturday. Or sorry, so Monday. Okay, I'm gonna put some little to-dos. Do one, actually I kind of want one here. So yeah, let me know if you like our back planner too. So occasionally it must be done in my planner, because sometimes things happen. I'm gonna put this EA here. Okay. I want to do this but first coffee for over here on the weekend. That's a cute little sticker. Oh, I like these little weekend stuff. Okay, this one says work hard, play hard. So we'll put that over here. And then I'll do I love the weekend. Okay. Well, I guess, I mean, the only place, no, I don't want to cover up. Do I put it here? Kind of don't like that. I'll just put it here because it's leading into the weekend. All right, and then what else do I got? Oh, I got checklists. I forgot. There's checklists in here. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna do a checklist over here for Thursday, which is tomorrow. What color do I want? Kind of like this orangey color. Well, these boxes are cute. I can use these too. All right, and then I'm gonna put a checklist just to be cohesive. Okay, I'm actually gonna move this. Let's see. No. We're gonna leave it there. Okay, I'm just gonna put a checklist here, just to have a checklist on the side. I mean, it's Wednesday, so I do have things I need to get done that I can add in there that I can actually check off. So it won't really be a back planning section, but yeah. Where's my scissors? Oh, I don't know where I put my scissors. Okay, so I'll have to use my X-Acto knife. Here. Okay. All right, and then I'm just gonna add in some of these boxes because I really do like these boxes. Like, they're cute. I'll just add in, if I can fit them in, that'll be the question. Okay, let me do this one here, and then I want to do, I like the little ice creams. Okay, and then here I don't really have as much space, so where are you gonna go? Okay, I'm gonna do maybe this one here, because I can still use it there, so I think that works. And then, oh, there are bullet points. This book was great because it had everything. Oh, look, I could have totally used all these. I didn't even realize that. That's okay. I'm happy with my choices. But I'm going to add in some bullet points. Get some tweezers. And let's see, what colors do I want to do? I feel like over here, I kind of want to do the blue. Okay, we got Friday. And I'm just gonna do a couple here. Let's do this color. Just because whatever I do on one side, I like to do on the other side too, just to keep it cohesive. Okay, I think this is a cute spread, so happy with that. Love the squad girls. They're super adorable. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm actually happy with the washi, even though it's kind of random. I think it works with this spread. So yeah. All right, so that's gonna be my spread. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite kind of ice cream is. I'm trying to think, like, what should I go buy, because I'm telling you, I really am craving ice cream now that I'm seeing it like on my planner, and I don't know now what kind of ice cream to go get. Like, should I go get just a little tub of ice cream? I usually like chocolate, but I've been kind of more leaning towards things that have like caramel and not as chocolatey. I don't know what to do. Or get like one of those chocolate bars, or like an ice cream bar, or like an ice cream sandwich. Those are good. Trader Joe's has some really good ice cream sandwiches. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite kind of ice cream. Or maybe I should just go to McDonald's and get one of those like little ice cream sundaes. Those are really good too. Oh, and some French fries. That would be a good combo. So yeah, let me know what your favorite is. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I apologize for not posting in a couple of days, because I should have posted this a few days ago, but I know you all will understand. So I appreciate you being here. But thank you again. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.